Sa paglabas ng mga kaibigan, ramdam pa rin ng emosyon ng mga naiwan.
Alam ko takot yun kanina. She was so scared. She stayed strong for us.
Yes. I already told her she's the strongest woman I've ever met.
Ellie, she fought so hard para ipakita kung sino siya at kung ano yung pinaglalaban niya. And doon pa lang sobrang proud na proud ako sa kanya, kuya.
Hindi ko po talaga ine-expect na ako pa magiging ligtas. So, sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako talaga, kuya.
I feel like I'm in shock. Same here. It's ang bilis talaga ng eviction. Like, I don't even know if I should be happy for you guys or I should be sad for Marco. Parang I'm so shocked. Like,
So, gulat din ako ng ganun.
Si Marco po kasi siya po talaga yung nakakakilala po sa akin dito. Mula po pagkabata ko po, kuya.
Hindi kami nag-uusap dito masyado. Kampante ako kasi nandito siya.
Kapag napapagod po ako, sa kanya ko lang po talaga na ilalabas, kuya. Kaya hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung intindi po sa nararamdaman ko po, gaya po ng pag-iintindi niya po sa akin, kuya.
Marami pa siyang patutunayan. Here inside, as himself, not just an actor. Kasi all his life has been acting. But here he gets to be himself.
I feel a little bit guilty, bro. Kasi si Marco, he's been working so hard all of his life, basically. Kasi he was a child actor. He's been working so hard all of his life. I didn't really expect talaga to stay, kuya. And meron po akong regret feeling. Bakit ako yung nagstay instead of him? Kasi I don't even know. Sa yung personality ko, I don't think I really showed it yet po, kuya.
No, think about it this
Bro,
way.
I'm
You know how I
spoiled,
see it?
bro.
You know how I see it? Marco has a great career outside. Think about this as your opportunity. It's your time to show everybody what you got. So, look forward, not backwards.
Thank you, bro.
Good stuff.
All I wanted was an answer niya. I told her that naman na all I wanted was an answer. I was happy that she gave it to me.
I think you know naman na he's special to me po, kuya. And I still have a lot of unturned doors po, kuya, na I haven't really said to her or done for her po, kuya.